Hello students, today we are going to study how to round off numbers to the nearest tens. There are certain rules regarding the same. A number is rounded down, means to its lower value, to the nearest 10 if the ones digit is 4 or less. That is, if the digits at the ones place are 0, 1, 2, 3 or 4. That is less than 5, then we will round off that number to the lower tens. Let us understand this with the help of few examples. Round off 41 to the nearest tens. When we are going to round off children, again I have always told you, write the digit and write the place values on top. Now when we are supposed to round off the number to the nearest tens, then we have to consider the digit at the ones place. Now as I discussed the rule, if the digit at ones place is less than 5, means it is 0, 1, 2, 3 or 4, then the number will be rounded off to the lower end. Here in the given number 41, the digit at ones place is 1. That is, it is less than 5. So, how we are going to round it off? 1 will become 0, and since it is less than 5, nothing will be added to the digit at the tens place. So, 4 will remain as it is. So, 41 when rounded off to nearest tens becomes 40. Let us understand this with one more example. Round off 64 to the nearest tens. Here again we will write the number and we will write the place values on top. Now when we have to round off 64 to the nearest tens, this means we are going to consider the digit at the ones place. Here again you can see that the digit at the ones place is 4. That is, it is less than 5. So 4 will become 0 and 6 will remain as it is and will be brought down, and so the number 64 rounded off to nearest tens is 60. Now let us come to rule 2. What if the digit at the ones place is 5 or more than 5? Then what we are going to do? In such a case, a number is rounded up, that is to the higher end, to the nearest 10 if the digit at ones place is 5 or more. That is, the digit at ones place are 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9. Let us come to an example to learn more about it. Round off 87 to the nearest tens. Again children, we will write the number, we will write the place values on top, and here we have to consider the digit at the ones place. Here in the number 87, the digit at ones place is 7. That is, it is more than 5. Then how are we going to round it off? Come to the solution. 87 is the number, 7 is at the ones place, so 7 will reduce to 0, and since 7 is more than 5, we will add 1 to the tens place, that is 8 plus 1, and the number at the tens place becomes 9. So 87 rounded off to nearest tens becomes 90. Take another example. Round off 26 to the nearest tens. Write the number, write the place values on top, consider the digit at ones place. Here in the number 26, the digit at ones place is 6, that is more than 5. So 6 will be reduced to 0, and since 6 is more than 5, you will add 1 to the digit at the tens place. The digit at the tens place is 2, and 1 added to it gives you 3. So 26 rounded up to the nearest tens becomes 30. Thank you.